0, 1. Let's get started.
Welcome to my channel. If you like to grow, you like to know, or you simply just want to come and hang out, go ahead and press that like and subscribe button and you'll be notified each and every time I go live or upload a brand new video. Now let's get into this video. Hey YouTube family, it's Casey from Totally Designs and I'm really excited about doing this video today. I went to Michael's Arts and Crafts store today and I went there for the sole purpose of seeing if they had any new paint that I could use and introduce into my videos. And to my surprise and my amazement, I found 8 brand new, you heard me, brand new paint colors. And I'm really excited to show you them right now. The first color I saw when I got there was this pink tourmaline. Okay. Now, this is on the lines of a deeper rose color, almost burgundy, not so much burgundy, and not fuchsia either. Beautiful, beautiful color. It is ultra bright, and it is a metallic acrylic paint. Now, what I love about these bottles, guys, they're 2 fluid ounces, right? You would think they don't go a long way, but they absolutely do go a long way. I can promise you that. And I'm talking about months. Now, the next one I saw was Dandelion. Now, Dandelion is a type of yellow. Now, whether it is a deeper yellow or more of a brighter yellow, I don't know as of yet. But it looks like it's just like another yellow. But I'm always willing to try more yellow, whether it's Dandelion or another color that they name it, right? The next one is called Buff Chamois. And this one is, I think, a ivory color. To be honest, I think it's more of an ivory color. But again, we'll find out once I start painting and we'll find out exactly what it looks like. But I thought this was an interesting choice as well. I was really surprised at all the brand new colors that they had. Now, I didn't go and just like spend a whole lot of time just looking. It was more like I gravitated towards the paint that caught my eye. Deep peach. Now, this one, I have not seen peach before anyway. The color peach at all. So I decided to take a chance on this one just to see how this would turn out. And I think it's going to turn out pretty well, to be honest. I'm really excited about painting with these brand new colors. The next one is Camouflage. I was attracted to this one as well. It drew my eye. And I was like, camouflage. Okay, let's try that. Now, this is a different type of green. It's a more deeper, richer green, sort of like army wear type of green. And so I am going to have a ball with working with this type of green. Love it. Now, I did see this purple. This one is called Amethyst. Okay, this is a metallic purple. I do have another metallic purple as well. It's called something else. It's not called amethyst. But you know, sometimes they will make a color and they'll resell it as another name, or it'll have like maybe a little lighter texture to it, or maybe even richer texture. You know, I don't know the reason why that they call it different names, but what I can do is I can compare it to the purple that I do have. Now, the next one I have is the Color Shift Blue. Now, this is brand new, y'all. And you guys know I love to work with the Color Shift. And you know my good friend April is the one that put me on to the Color Shift. Now, this is from a company called Folk Art. It is a pastel blue. And I love the Color Shift because depending upon the way the light hits it, or, you know, the sun hits it, or the direction of the canvas is in, it will shift colors. It'll go into a different type of color. Maybe they'll have like little goldish hues in there or iridescent colors that you can see depending on which one. Now also I have Red Flash Rouge Brilliant. Now this one is brand new as well, and I'm not sure if this is more of an orangey red color, orangey reddish color I might say, but it's really nice, and I can't wait to work with that color as well. Now I did pick up a few other items, guys. It wasn't much at all. I wind up picking up some of these because I am working on a particular project and I needed some more of all of these beads. So I'm working on that at the same time. So those were the only beads that I purchased on this trip. I also picked up some resin. Now, I told you guys I'm not married to any particular resin at all, but I do like Michael's Arts and Craft resin. It's called Blue Moon Studio. So I am particularly drawn to this particular resin along with another one. But this particular one I do like, but I don't have a favorite as of yet, okay? And the last thing that I purchased, y'all, you know it, brushes. All right, so that will conclude my video. Thank you to all my new subscribers and my writers. And until the next video, happy beading.